Hello friends, today in this tutorial I'll be showing you that how basically you can rotate the PDF document by any angle that you provide inside your Flask application. So let me show you the demo of the application what we will be building here. So you will see there will be a input field out there where we'll be allow the user to upload the PDF document or select it. Choose file button will be there, and then basically we have a simple number input field. Here you will provide your angle. Let me select the PDF file here. So let's suppose I select a file. This file we have selected, and basically here we just need to provide the angle 90 degree, 270 degree, 45 degrees. So let's suppose I provide an angle here. I provide 270 degree angle, and then basically we have a button out there. If I click rotate, it will now rotate all the pages inside the PDF document, and then we will be able to download the PDF file. If I click this button, you will now see the PDF file is downloaded, and basically the file is rotated. All the pages inside the PDF document is successfully rotated at an angle of 270 degree. You will see that we have successfully rotated in the clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. You can see that. And let's suppose if I change this angle to 45 degree, if I once again uh, select the PDF document here, uh, and right here if I put here 40 or 55 degree, click rotate, and like I think we need to simply, okay, it is saying that rotation angle must be a multiple of 90. So I think the angle that you provide must be a multiple. Let's suppose 180, 270, like this. So if I once again refresh the application, so you will see if I choose the PDF document here, and if I pass a, let's suppose if I pass 180 degree, click, you will see that now you can simply download this. So it is rotated at an angle of 180 degree. You will see that all the pages. So we will be doing this process using a library called as PyPDF2, which is a handy library when it comes to Python. So we are using this package. It's very simple command is there, pip install pypdf2. So simply you need to install this by using this command, and I have written a complete blog post on my tutorial website in the description of this video. So you can just copy paste all the source code and read this blog post by going to the description of this video. So now let's get started by building this application. So I will be writing this code. So first of all, you need to go to the command line, and here basically you will need to install Flask, pip install Flask, and also pypdf2. So these two libraries are needed for this application. I have already installed it, and now you just need to create, let me just delete all the code. So here you just need to create app.py, and inside templates you just need to create an index.html file which will hold the form for us. So inside this index.html we will simply have a simple Flask app, and we will be initializing the Flask app here. You will see that, and inside this we will have a simple route here, and this route basically we will return basically a template here with the help of render template. So like this you can see that, and after this basically guys you will be we just need to create this file in the templates folder, index.html. So basically this form will basically contain a simple form here, and the method here will be post action will go to slash rotate, and here encoding type is necessary multi-part form data. And inside this area we will allow the user to upload the file. We will only accept the PDF files, and that's all. And we'll be giving a name attribute to it of file. That's all. And also we will be giving a label where we allow the user to submit the angle to which you need to rotate the PDF document. So basically here this will be of type text, and here I giving an ID of angle, name property also angle, and then basically we will have a submit button to submit the PDF document. So submit, and the value will be rotate PDF, that's all. So we have this file here, and if I now start this application, Python, if I Python app.py, so you will see basically, we need to start this application. So right here, we will simply say that if name is equal to main, then we need to start this application, app.run debug to true. So this will start this Flask application. So we just need to go to, you will see it will start this application on localhost 5000. So if I go, you will see this form here. And now we just need to make this simple request, which is post request, which is /rotate. So now we just need to make this request. So this route will be app.route/rotate. And inside this, guys, we will have a basic function which is responsible for rotating the PDF document. And inside this rotating, first of all, we will get access to the file which is submitted by the user by the request module. So we just need to import this request module from Flask right here. This is basically the name attribute that you provide here. Name is equal to file. That's all. After this, you will get access to the angle which is submitted, request.form. Again, the name attribute, which is, I think we have given the name attribute to angle. After we get these two things, we will basically use the secure file name module, which is to get the file name, file.file name. So we just need to import this also with secure file name. I think this is available from the second module, which is, yeah, from this utils, we need to import secure file name. That's all. After this, basically, we will now save this in a temporary location. So we will save this. We'll use the operating system module. So for this, we just need to require operating system module with built-in module of Python, and also PyPDF2. That's all. And here basically we will be saving this inside the temporary location. And after saving it to the temporary location, here we are not creating any sort of directory. We are just storing it inside the temporary location. After this, we just need to open that PDF document. So again, we will use operating system dot join, and this time we will be opening it inside the read mode. So we will be passing the address, we will pass the file name, and we will be opening it inside RB. RB stands for read binary, and as if. So after we open this file, we just need to rotate the content present. So we will get access to the PDF. So PyPDF2. We will use this method, PDF file reader, and here we will pass the actual file. And here we will get the output here, which is PyPDF2 PDF file writer. And here we will write it. Here we'll use the for loop here, for I range. We will access to all the pages, so we need to rotate all the pages here. So to get all the pages, we will use get num pages. This is basically the method. So here we are using the for loop. For every page, we are rotating the page. So for doing this, we will simply say page is equal to PDF get page. We will get access to the current page, and then basically we will rotate. So there is this method out there, guys. You can simply rotate by an angle, or you can rotate clockwise, rotate counterclockwise also. So we will use this method rotate, and we will simply pass the angle. So we will simply pass the angle. We will change it to float value like this. And then we will simply output that page. We will add that page here with the add page method. That's all. And now we simply need to again save this document. So we will simply say that with open operating system path join. Here we will now be reading the file here. We will save this file here, which is called as rotated.pdf. So we will save this at this location. And now in order to save this, we will now write it inside write binary wb. So as if, and after this here we just need to write it. So we will use the write method. That's all. This completes this one, and now we simply need to allow the user to download the file. So we will simply show a anchor tag here. So here we will have a single anchor tag, href will be there, and this will be /download. And here the user can able to download that PDF document. So we will simply say that download rotate PDF. That's all. So now if you see, we need to make this /download request also. So whenever we show it, let me show you what happens here. If I load this application, if I upload a PDF document here, let's suppose if I upload this, put an angle here, let's suppose 55 degree. So it is saying, let me see. Let me see here. Let me select a PDF document 55. I think I have made a mistake here, someone mistake. Let me see here. Let me write this once again. This method once again. Sometimes it can make mistake also whenever you writing code here. Let me just, okay, I'm missing this, so sorry. So this basically takes a second argument here, which is methods. So we just need to specify here the methods property, which will be an array. So this is a post request. So just need to mention here. So just make that slight adjustment. And now if you once again open this, upload, select a PDF document, it's 55, and it will take some time. Rotation angle must be multiple of 90. Okay. So here you can see that basically this error comes with this method. So if you see rotate clockwise, we have various methods out there. So if you see, basically we have rotate counterclockwise also, clockwise also. So you need to just provide basically a multiple of 90 degree. So I think it's a restriction. You can provide any angle. You can do some research also. Let's suppose how basically we can rotate it by any angle. But for now, I will simply select a multiple of 90. Let's suppose 90 degree. So it will take some time, and then it will give you this hyperlink. If you click it, nothing is there because we need to make this get request. So when someone clicks this hyperlink, we just need to allow the user to download the file as an attachment. For doing that, it's very simple. We will simply write this code here. Simple route /download. This will be a get route, and basically we will send the file as an attachment. So this send file can be imported from Flask. And here you will see that we are downloading this rotated.pdf as an attachment. As an attachment is true here. So once again, if you try to reload the application, choose the file here and put 90 degree. So click, and you will see that it will be rotated by 90 degree, but I would love to rotate it by any angle. I cannot do research at this moment of time because it is giving me that error. You can do it on your own. All the source code is given in the description of this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next video.